Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
First in people's property. They have transferred in church property. They have built illegally. They have damaged water bodies, and you think we'll keep quiet here?
These properties are not under acquisition, so we are going for whatever the legal course that is. Also, we are complaining to the Deputy Conservator of Forest because they have done marking for trees which are, I think, we understand are going to be felled.
The railway people are behaving like kids. I feel that kids we will talk better, will understand better. They are not using their beja, what God gave them.
आता परत हे रेल्वे ऑथॉरिटीज आणि त्यांचे प्रायव्हेट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर परत आमच्या गावात येऊन आमच्या प्रॉपर्टीन ट्रेसपास करून सर्वे करपाक सोदता. आता ही सर्वे कसली, कोणेन एका परमिशन दिला सर्वे काढपाक? तर आमचे गावचे लोक भायर येतले आणि परत हिंगा कोण येतले आम्ही दाखयतले आम्ही कोण ते.
See, it is our property, so they cannot venture outside.
त्याची ग्रामसभा रेजोल्यूशन गेलो हांवें की डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका म्हूण आमकां आनी हे कोणागे भाटां ट्रेसपास कोत्ताय आनी कितें कोत्ताय.
वेलसावच्या लोकांक हे नवे न्ही. 15 दिसां फाटीं हीच परिस्थिती. परवानगी नासतना लोकांच्या जाग्यांनी कसलो सर्वे करतात काय म्हूण तांकां लोकांनी तेन्ना धांवडायल्ले. प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.